All right. Well, I initially came to see Dr. Gallus probably February of 2016. I had my C4, 5, and 6. They had collapsed and onto my nerve, and I'd lost strength and use of my left arm. And it had probably been about 6 months, 4 to 6 months before I had come to see him. He said he could help me. He said he could get my strength back. Got x-rays, MRI, did a bunch of different tests to make sure that the breakdown was coming out of the cervical area and not out of my shoulder or elbow or wrist. I had a constant, like a burning sensation, electrical shock, and lack of strength going on for quite some time. And it turned out that the discs were shot and that the cervical bones were sitting on one another and pinching the nerve. So we came to the conclusion that we were going to have to do surgery. And so, from that point on, from the day I met him, he was great up front. He's a hockey player, so that made it awesome. And he told me that he was going to help me, live my life the way I wanted it to again. So that includes playing hockey, and it was a big deal, especially to have, a double fusion. And I was a little concerned about that, but not as concerned about as I was about losing my left arm. So had the surgery, went great. He was there every step of the way. He gave me his cell phone number to call him if I needed anything. And then, you go and wait 3 months, then it's 6 months, and now I've been cleared and I get to skate and start playing hockey and live my life the way I want to, and I feel great. There was times through the recovery that you wonder, is this pain going to stop? This is a new pain, or it felt better one day and not so good the next. It's just all part of the healing process. I had great people that helped me with my physical therapy. And I just, you got to do that. You can't just expect a surgery to fix your problems, because once that's fixed, you got to fix your body so that you recover correctly from that surgery, and then you can go on to live your life. Don't cut short on that rehab, because that's really where it's at. So follow his advice and do what he says, and you'll be all right. I was.